Hello everyone, I am Arbit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can add Google Tasks in Airtable automatically. Now suppose many people have been creating tasks on Google Tasks and those many people are your team members or your colleagues or are your employees. Now what will happen? Whenever they are going to create a new task in Google Tasks, an automatic record will be created in your Airtable database where you can access them at one place, that which colleague or which employee has done what kind of task here. Now, to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect Google Tasks and Airtable together. Now, if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are back at our screen. So what we have to do, we have to type in Pabbly pabbly.com/connect and press enter. And as soon as you will do that, you will be redirected to this page here. Here you have two options. Either you can sign in or you can sign up. Now, if you already have an account, you can go for sign in. If you do not have an account, you have to go for sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month from our site so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you here. So I'll just go for sign in because I already have an account here. And I will just log into my account. Now here I am going to choose access now for Pabbly Connect. And after that you can see I have all these automations here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on create workflow to create a new automation. And after that I am going to give my workflow a name here, okay? Now let us give it the name, and the name will be Google Tasks to Airtable. Okay, now let's just click on create, and after that you can see we have two windows here. First one is trigger, second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process. Action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. So now here what we are going to do, we are going to take Google Tasks because we are creating Google Task. So here we are going to go for new task. And after that, we are going to connect our Google Task here. So just go for add new connection, click on connect with Google Tasks, and here click on Ashirai because we have our account in Ashirai. So we are just going to select that account and then continue. And you can see now it has been connected, and here you can see I have my tasks, Trello and integration app. So what I am going to do, I am just going to click on Trello. And I am creating a task in Trello. So I'll just go for this list here and I'll just click on add a task. And here I'll just add a task, new list on automation. Okay. And I will just edit this and I will add the details. Hello team. I have created a list on automation about various applications. I have created a list on automation about various, no, not about, it should be on automation on various. I have created a list of automation on various applications. Please check this list and update it. Okay, now my team knows what to update here. And now what we are going to do, we are just going to press enter here, and you can see I have this new task, new list on automation, and here hello team, I have created a list of automation on, and whatever the description was. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go here and click on save and send test request. Now as soon as I will click on save and send test request, you will see that new list on automation has been taken here in my Pabbly Connect account, new list on automation. And here you can see hello team, I have created a list of automation on various applications. Please check this list and update it. Okay, and here I have this status. And where is my ID? Here is my ID. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am just going to go to my next application here, and here I am going to take Airtable because I am going to create a record in Airtable of every of my Google task So I'll just go here and I will go for create record. And this is my Airtable account. Here you can see task ID, title, notes. I have these fields here. This is Google Task to Airtable base ID. And here you can see table 1. We can rename it if we want to. Just rename it as Google Tasks List. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we are just going to go back to Pabbly Connect, click on connect, add new connection. Here it is asking you for the token. So you can see here it is written, log into Airtable and get your API key from the account section. So go to your Airtable. This is your account section. Click on account and then just copy the API key from here. Go back to Pabbly Connect and paste it in your token. Now save it. And as soon as you will save it, you will see your Airtable has been connected to your Pabbly Connect account. Now here base ID, what is our base ID here? Our base ID is Google Tasks to Airtable. So go here and go for Google Tasks to Airtable. Okay, now table name is Google Tasks List, which we just renamed in front of you. Now here you can see task ID. So what was our task ID? So I'm just going to use a technique which is called mapping, and mapping will let me take the data from this window and it will help me put the data here in this window. So what I'm going to do, this is the ID. So I'm just going to map in the ID. Title. So title was new list on automation, and description. So notes, in notes I'm going to put in my description. So this is description. Hello team, I have created a list of automation on various applications. Please check this list and update it. Now I will click on save and send test request. And as soon as I will do that, you can see that I have a new record ID here. And when I will go back to my Airtable, you will see that I have this task added in my list. Now, why is it at 4th number? Because I forgot to delete the rows previously. And if you want to do this automation from number 1, just delete the default rows in your Airtable, and after that do this automation, so it will automatically come from first number. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we are just going to test this automation once again. So let's just go here, add a task here, new card in Trello. And here just go for edit. Hey, I have added a new card in Trello. Okay, so you can just see and just go here and click anywhere, and your task will be saved here. Now you can see in your Google Tasks to Airtable, when you will refresh it, this task should come into the Airtable, but it will not come into the Airtable. Now why is that? Because whenever we are connecting our Google Tasks to any application, we are using a trigger polling. Now polling trigger is a trigger which will help Google Task to send the data from Google Task to the another application, but it will take some time. So polling trigger takes about few seconds to few minutes, and that is why we did not receive any new row here, but we will receive it in few seconds or in few minutes. It can take 5 seconds, it can take 5 minutes also. So do not panic and do not worry about it. Your data will absolutely come here. So let us just wait and see that when our data is going to come. Okay. And as you can see, I have this data here, new card in Trello. Here I have added a new card in Trello. And let me tell you, I got this data after 2.5 minutes. So I waited for 2.5 minutes for this data, and in the same way you are going to wait for few seconds or few minutes, and your data will absolutely come. And this is automation, so you do not have to click again and again, refresh. It will automatically take the data and a new record will be created automatically in your Airtable. So friends, this is how you can add your Google Tasks to your Airtable directly, so that whenever there is a new task in Google Tasks, a new record will be created in Airtable, and you can use that as and when required later on. Okay. So I hope you loved this automation and you understood this workflow. And if you want to clone this workflow into your account, you can just go into my description box and clone it into your account. But for that, you need to have an account, and for that, you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So do not wait, go and sign up now. Hasta la vista.
So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to edit in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.